Today, I'm diving into my experiences with Adobe Photoshop's Generative Fill and Adobe Firefly AI's text-to-image. I'll explore the question, what exactly can I accomplish with hundreds of AI images? Let's uncover the vast potential. Hey there, fellow creatives. Today, I'm thrilled to share my AI journey, a tale sparked by Adobe's introduction of Generative Fill in Photoshop Beta. You see, this revolutionary tool has truly flipped the script on photography as we know it. The transition from analog to digital photography marked a significant revolution at the turn of the millennium. But now, with AI-powered systems capable of conjuring images from simple text inputs, it's an entirely new ballgame. When Generative Fill burst onto the scene, I knew I had to dive deep into its potential for my photography. So I devoted an entire day to unraveling its mysteries, creating hundreds of AI-generated images in the process. Why so many images, you might ask? Well, I had to decode what the AI system could handle and what it struggled with. Understanding which themes and instructions yielded promising results was crucial. And of course, gauging the ease or complexity of achieving good outcomes was equally important. The slideshow you're witnessing right now encapsulates the fruits of my exploration, all created using relatively simple text instructions with Adobe Photoshop's Generative Fill. Phrases like a fairy tale castle on a forested island at sunset were translated into visual marvels by the AI. These visuals stand raw, devoid of any post-processing, allowing for a clear-eyed evaluation of the system's prowess. It's about understanding the nuances, what it excels at, and where it needs refinement. This journey of discovery has been nothing short of fascinating. As I continued my exploration with Adobe Photoshop's Generative Fill, the range of possibilities expanded exponentially. From serene landscapes that transport you to distant realms to intricate depictions of animals in their natural habitats, the canvas of creativity knew no bounds. Exploration didn't stop at the familiar, it ventured into the extraordinary. I ventured into crafting scenarios beyond the norm. Mesmerizing weather phenomena and the enigmatic allure of glowing mushrooms in dark, mystical forests. Crafting these AI-generated images was a riveting experience. Each attempt, each variation, brought forth new perspectives and challenges. The sheer variety of topics allowed me to push the boundaries of AI's creative capabilities. Initially, crafting good AI images posed a challenge. It was a trial-and-error process, often requiring 30 or even 40 attempts before stumbling upon a usable AI-generated image. Yet, perseverance paid off. After creating the first 100 AI images, a light bulb moment occurred. I realized the importance of refining text requests, a crucial factor in steering the AI system toward producing better results. This learning curve wasn't without its highlights. Let me draw your attention to one of my favorites, a squirrel donning sunglasses. The whimsy of this creation never fails to bring a smile to my face. Moreover, the fantasy island images captivated me with their illustrative charm. Their versatility in bright sunshine, storms, thunderstorms, and high waves added an extra layer of allure. And let's talk about glowing mushrooms. Their enchanting aura grew on me. They added an otherworldly touch to the images, becoming a personal favorite in this AI-generated journey. Through perseverance and honing text requests, the journey evolved. What began as a daunting process eventually led to refining techniques, resulting in increasingly useful and captivating AI-generated imagery. The secret sauce to crafting better AI images: the text. The precision and quality of the text inputs significantly impact the resulting visuals. Take, for instance, the mesmerizing image of the mighty tree by the lake. The AI's rendition captures an idyllic atmosphere, fog-kissed, bathed in the golden hues of the hour. It's truly convincing, transporting you to a serene setting. Another standout, backlit imagery featuring a tree adorned with pink flowers, a vision that feels like a dream brought to life. And here's where AI flexes its creative muscles, transmuting bone-dry deserts into landscapes where vast masses of water flow effortlessly. Let's not forget the unexpected. The cute little monster, a delightful creation amidst this array of visuals, showcasing the whimsical side of AI-generated artistry. These creations illustrate the immense potential locked within text-driven inputs. Each image speaks volumes about the power of precision and imagination in guiding AI's artistic rendition. I must say, the backlit pictures caught my eye. They exude a striking realism that's hard to ignore. Witnessing the AI's ability to replicate such lifelike scenarios is truly impressive. And when it comes to adding that special touch, making things glow, the results are nothing short of enchanting. There's a certain flair and allure to these visuals that captivates the imagination. Let's talk about the finer details. The intricately crafted figures made of sand and the peculiar charm of knotted trees. These elements showcase the diverse range of possibilities that AI-driven creativity can achieve. These creations not only push the boundaries of what's achievable, but also hint at the endless potential for innovation and evolution in AI-generated artistry. And now, immerse yourselves in a delightful collection of AI-generated cats, showcasing a world of feline creativity. Cats, depicted through AI, capture their essence remarkably well. I've noticed that while photorealistic representations are impressive, I personally lean towards the illustrative style for its unique charm. Picture this: cats in the rain. When this idea struck, I was thrilled by the exceptional results. Witnessing these AI-generated felines navigating rainy settings was a joyous revelation. Here's the thing. A cat sometimes appears with just 3 or even 2 legs in these AI-generated images. Surprisingly, this variation doesn't dampen the visual impact. Instead, it fosters an intriguing aspect, creating compositions that are uniquely engaging. These deviations from the norm showcase the unexpected beauty in AI-generated artistry. They challenge our perceptions, emphasizing that beauty and intrigue can arise from unconventional portrayals. The next adventure takes us into the captivating realm of AI-generated animals, using Adobe Photoshop's Generative Fill. I've been mesmerized by the wonders AI can conjure, particularly with fluffy animals amidst nighttime rain. There's an enchanting allure in witnessing these AI-generated creatures navigating the rain-soaked darkness. Imagine stumbling upon a little hedgehog in a dark forest, adorned with glowing mushrooms. It's a combination that exudes sheer adorableness and a touch of magical charm. Shifting gears to the world of insects. Hairy insects painted in shimmering, vibrant hues. The brilliance in colors brings forth a unique and visually stunning perspective. The AI's ability to turn imagination into reality is truly astounding. Picture this: headphones on a cute mouse, a microphone in its paws, crafted with a single text input. Equally surprising was the creation of a mouse encountering a ghost at the cemetery. Reflecting on Adobe Photoshop's Generative Fill, there are strengths and weaknesses. The persistent appearance of a blue border and difficulties with fingers and limbs are noticeable weaknesses. However, patience yields commendable results. For those wielding Photoshop, I strongly recommend giving Generative Fill a shot. Craft a variety of text inputs to generate at least 30 variants. You're bound to discover 3 to 4 striking AI images worth your time. Now let's move on to Adobe Firefly. Text-to-image, an AI web application that adds a new dimension to image creation. Contrasting with Adobe Photoshop's Generative Fill, Firefly Text-to-Image offers an array of additional functionalities. With Firefly Text-to-Image, creating entire images from a simple sentence becomes a breeze. It's a refreshing departure from the standard, providing options for image effects, color styles, and light settings, elevating the creative process. I'm unveiling my first attempts with Firefly Text-to-Image. It's a thrilling exploration into the potential of this AI-driven web application. While Adobe Photoshop's Generative Fill also taps into Adobe Firefly's capabilities, Firefly's text-to-image feature shines brighter. Its efficiency and speed in generating superior AI images are commendable, yielding better results in a fraction of the time. The beauty of Firefly text-to-image lies in its accessibility. No need for Photoshop, it's open to everyone. Just head to fireflyadobe.com. Select the text-to-image option. Input a brief text, and voila! Your first AI image awaits. Just a few clicks away. Text-to-image opens doors to boundless creativity. I urge you to give it a shot and explore the wonders of AI-powered image creation. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Let's step into a new chapter, exploring the thrilling world of AI-generated images, featuring animals as our main characters. I'm thrilled to showcase some imaginative and fun creations crafted using Adobe Firefly text-to-image. Creating AI images with animals using Adobe Firefly text-to-image is an absolute blast. The possibilities are endless. You can conjure up the wildest scenarios with ease, and the results are not only quick, but also visually stunning. From whimsical to fantastical, the realm of animal-centric AI imagery is boundless, allowing for the creation of captivating visuals effortlessly. Exploring the AI landscape with animal characters brings forth a plethora of ideas and inspirations. It's amazing how quickly and effectively Adobe Firefly text-to-image transforms imagination into visually appealing and engaging compositions. As we wrap up our exploration into AI-driven image creation from Adobe, I've got a straightforward conclusion to share. If your aim is to craft entire images swiftly and effortlessly using simple text inputs, look no further than Adobe Firefly's text-to-image feature. It's a powerhouse for generating complete visuals in a snap. Firefly's text-to-image capability offers a seamless experience. Simply input your text and watch as it breathes life into your ideas, transforming them into stunning AI-generated images. It's quick, efficient, and remarkably user-friendly. Now, shifting gears to Adobe Photoshop's Generative Fill. This feature shines in a different realm. It's a go-to tool when it comes to altering specific parts of an existing image. Generative Fill within Photoshop caters perfectly to those seeking to tweak or enhance particular elements within an image. It's a valuable asset for refining and modifying existing visuals, enabling precise adjustments and enhancements. In summary, if you're aiming for quick and complete image creation, Adobe Firefly's text-to-image is your go-to choice. However, if your focus leans towards refining specific portions within an image, Adobe Photoshop's Generative Fill fits the bill perfectly. Don't miss out on the complete showcase. Explore all 9 slideshows to witness the full range of AI-generated images. Dive into each one for a diverse and captivating experience. However, amidst this fascinating journey, one question lingers. What's the next step? What do I do with this treasure trove of AI-generated artistry? The answer eludes me for now, but the journey to uncover its potential continues. Thank you for joining me on this exploration into AI-powered image creation. Remember, each tool offers its unique strengths. Choose the one that aligns best with your creative vision. Until next time, Keep exploring and embracing the wonders of AI-powered creativity.